There we go. Green figured it out. Yeah, look at you, Teddy. You're so cute.
Let's go visit the vacuum cleaner.
You wanna go see your friend?
Uh-oh. Who's in here? Who's in here? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's in here? Oh, vacuum cleaner! Come on, let's get a closer look. Come on. Come on. Come on, he doesn't move. He's a good dog. See? Teddy. Oh. Good dog.
Keep everyone safe from the vacuum. Look at Teddy.
Hey, who's up there? Huh? Is that the vacuum? Good boy.
Throw him his ball.
You a treat? Huh?
Okay, say bye to everyone in the movie, Teddy.
Thanks for protecting us from the vacuum, Teddy. Good job.
Teddy. Teddy. Okay.